All right, heading out of the apartment. It's about 5 in the morning. About to get in my Lyft, which is right here. To head to JFK to go to San Francisco. Off to shoot the computer program and get this show on the road. I'm Chris Connolly, and I lead product and brand marketing here at DevRev. After I got to Palo Alto last night, woke up at about 3 a.m., both because I was jet lagged, but also because I was anxious about this meeting, which is with our executive team of DevRev about what we've been building, this new product called Computer. So I decided to get up and actually work with Computer to work through it. I uploaded my notes, a treatment for the episode that we're working on, and then I prompted Computer to help me prep for the conversation. I told it who was going to be in the meeting and asked it what they might care about. In this meeting, I have Manoj, who's the president of the company and heads up sales, Ahmed, who's our head of engineering, Mollie, who leads our customer success teams, Áthila, the head of design, and Michael, the head of product. If this meeting goes well, we have 6 months of recording everything and then showing it to the world, engaging in a real conversation about what it means to bring AI into the workplace and how it changes how we all work.
As artificial intelligence gets more and more advanced, it's starting to creep into more parts of our day-to-day lives.
I don't think people are prepared for how fast things are going to change.
And if it doesn't go well, we'll be back to making more typical corporate product videos that, if I'm honest, is tough to make interesting for people.
Got here today, the first day of filming, and I didn't know how everyone was going to react. They hadn't seen this type of work before either. The work is, how do we bring people along? How do we give them tools to unlock this technology, to find a way for it to fit into their lives? And that's what I hope this program is really all about grounding it. That's the type of honest marketing that I think can be accessible to people and that I think respects audiences by showing them what is really happening right now.
Good morning.
Hey.
Hey, Mollie.
How's it going?
How's it going? Ahmed. How's your
Am I in
kid?
the right room?
You are.
Good morning, Manoj.
This is exactly where I'm supposed to be.
That's right.
Well, thanks guys for taking the time. I want to start by acknowledging this is all a little strange.
Yeah.
It's weird to have the camera here, but it's all because we're getting started on the computer program. And I want to call something out. You guys all got a calendar invite. You might have seen this, which was this comment of hey, we want to stage a meeting that goes back to when we were pitching computer program in the spring. The production team showed me this last week and was like, hey, this is what we're going to do. I saw the invites go out. And I grabbed them and I said, hey, we need to chat because this is not what we're doing. That misses the whole point.
Yeah.
The point is to show the real work as it happens. Have the real meeting. There isn't a script. We haven't told you what to say here. I didn't tell you what we were coming to talk about. And so why we're filming this, what we're doing here, we're working on the first episode. This is kind of like us becoming TikTokers.
I've just asked a whole bunch of tech executives to act like TikTokers and to trust that we're going to be able to do that in a way that does justice to all of the work that they're doing.
I think everyone's got this little bit of what does it mean to sort of expose yourself? Maybe that's a wrong way to say it, but anyways.
Doesn't bother me. I mean, especially sitting and talking with Ahmed, we sit and shoot the shit all the time,
I am deeply uncomfortable with this. I do not create for social media.
I never thought I would do this in my life.
I don't know that anybody thinks they were going to do this. I'm going to show you one of the things I did, which again, this is embarrassing. I filmed this Saturday as I was getting ready to come here. And my wife was like, you look like a slob. You haven't cut your hair. I hadn't shaved. And this is me in my bathroom on Saturday. Getting ready to go to Palo Alto. All this has to get cleaned up if I'm going to go be on cameras.
You look pro.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm very experienced.
I think the part that surprised me somehow is actually how willing everyone is to do this. It's quite risky.
I woke up at 3 a.m. jet lagged, and what I decided to do is go to Computer and use it to prepare. And so I asked it how I should think about presenting to all of you today. And I told Computer who was going to be in the meeting. I said, what are each of these people going to care about? What are the things I should anticipate? And I did a screen recording. What you'll see is sort of what I'm taking you through is very literally the meeting we're having. you know, and this is how computer told me to think about what to do. And it says lead with vulnerability. Scary for me too. Thanks, computer. Good tip. We've had that conversation. I ask it about each of you. What do we think Mollie's going to think? And why do you think this? And what's interesting is it's looking at your issues, your tickets, the way you engage, the things that it knows about you as people.
We talk so much about building trust with our customers, right? So that even when there's a bump, like they know we're going to make it right, and they know they can rely on us. And I think showing some of the working through the messiness sometimes, like it does build that trust. Yeah, how we war room stuff.
The war room, how
Totally.
we challenge, how do we have this unconstrained thinking, and then we start to apply the constraints.
Yeah.
Every company or every brand out there has been built that way, right? Like kind of you create this facade that shows like kind of the prettiness of everything, like kind of and you project the image to everybody, like kind of and people get attached to it because they want to be like that.
I'm super excited for this program.
Overall, I think we have a very authentic sort of company, like kind of it's just a good reinforcement.
We're at time. So I want to thank everybody for taking the time and doing this with us. Thanks for the great engagement, great conversation.
Thank you, Chris.
We'll circle back on next steps. We'll be in touch. We'll have things in the app.
Sounds good. So Silicon Valley right now.
Yeah, circle back on next steps.
Let me close the loop on that. Vertical integration.
Budget. How many AIs do we have?
Synergies. Perfect. Thanks, guys.
Thank you, Chris.
That's the output
Great
that
job.
everybody wanted.
Thanks for coming into town.
Yes, my pleasure.
I think the show really got going when we
I hope
kicked
they
the
got
camera.
that on camera. You're so Silicon Valley right now.
So today's meeting went great. And it's a relief. Except for the cameras. Every episode will start with a conversation with computer, asking to help solve a problem for us. Because that's what we expect our customers to do. That's the product we sell, is talk to computer to get your work done, to figure out how you can work better, how you can do things that you wouldn't have been able to do before, and so that it can help you focus on the things that you're uniquely able to offer to your team, to your colleagues, to your company, to your customers, to free you up to have more time to solve bigger problems. And so what I'm really excited next is to show how the rest of us work, how Michael and his product team are building computer every day, how Ahmed and our engineering team are grappling with the real innovative challenges of AI deployment and AI development, how Áthila and his designers are elevating a user experience to make a product that people really love and enjoy using. How Mollie is thinking about how our customers will experience that product and how we best address their real pain points. How Manoj is leading the charge out in the field, talking to customers every day and showcasing all of the ways that computer can transform their businesses. It's that collection of people and the way we're all working together that really is the story we want to show. But that has to happen here first, because we're the ones doing it now. And I'm excited to show the world the real process that's already happening here at DevRev.
Hey folks, I'm Chris. We make these videos because we know there's a ton of marketing material out there telling you how AI is going to change everything. But we figured it'd be more interesting to show you how AI is changing us here at DevRev, as we're using it to build computer for all of you, even if it's sometimes messy or a little weird. If that sounds like something you'd be into, we hope you'll drop us a like, hit subscribe, and maybe come back and see us sometime on LinkedIn or on YouTube. Regardless, thanks for stopping by, and we hope we'll see you again.